my first time testing this thing. It's a new little camera, but we are walking through MCO airport right now. We just got here. We just landed for a fun Disney adventure. We're testing the camera in night mode now, but we're on our way to Disney Springs because we have dinner reservations at Wine Bar George. So I'm really excited. We kind of like freshened up. We checked in. We're only staying at this hotel for one night. So I know it looks really sketchy and not like a Disney resort. That's because it's not. We'll check into our Disney resort tomorrow morning, and then we'll also go to, I think we're going to Hollywood Studios tomorrow. I think. We just got seated. We are at the Wine Bar George. We've never eaten here before. It's in Disney Springs, but we're here for my half birthday. We just finished dinner at Wine Bar George. It was delicious, and now we're in line for Gideon's. We've had Gideon's before, but only once, so. It smells so good in here. It doesn't even look like a bakery. You guys see the vibe? It's like a little dungeon, right?
Inside your box, you do have a trading chart.
So we're gonna try our cookies. We're kind of sitting in the corner. From Gideon's, we got 3 different ones. We're supposed to only get one, but you know, temptation. So we got, it doesn't say, these are massive. So we got cookies and cream, peanut butter, and pistachio toffee.
No peanut butter. It was the banana bread.
Oh, sorry, banana bread. This is the pistachio one. Look at this. Next to my head, my hand. These are fat cookies.
Yeah.
So moist. Now we're gonna try the banana bread chocolate chip. Ooh. It does taste like banana bread. Last one we got is pistachio toffee. Really like this one. Anyway, if you ever come to Disney Springs, go to Gideon's. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Hi.
Oh, I like this one. Look at these. With a massive bow. I kind of like them. Wait, are these like... These look ridiculous.
A little bit, but they're cute.
Good morning! It's officially day 1 of the Disney World trip, and we just got to our official Disney resort, Pop Century. We're gonna go drop off our bags because our room isn't ready yet. So once we drop off our bags, we'll head to Hollywood Studios on the Skyliner. We got Mickey waffles for breakfast, and then we also picked up our reusable mugs. It's part of the dining plan, so yay! It's really busy in here. Everyone's out here for breakfast. We just finished breakfast. We are going to Hollywood Studios today. Here's our ride. I love taking the Skyliner. It's honestly so convenient to have it and so much faster than the shuttles. We're in Hollywood Studios. We haven't been here in so long. We always skip this park because honestly, like everything here we have at Disneyland, so we don't usually come here every single time, but it's nice to be back. We haven't been here in like 3 years or so. But yeah, we're just walking down Buena Vista Street right now.
Yeah.
I'm not sure where we're gonna go first. We don't have lightning lanes for anything, so we kind of have to wait. And I just got a text that our room was ready, so we're gonna have to go back in a couple hours to get our luggage and put everything inside. Does anyone remember the big Sorcerer Mickey hat that used to be here? Because I do. And I wish they kept it. We pretty much finished all of the rides in Toy Story Land, and we made it to Batu. You want to see the, what is this called? Millennium Falcon?
Yeah.
One of the reasons why we don't really come to this park is because they have a lot of the same rides that Disneyland has. Just like the one we're waiting in line for right now, which is Smuggler's Run. We literally never ride this ride. But yeah, like this ride's not fun unless you're actually driving the Millennium Falcon. Otherwise you're just pushing buttons. We got to be pilots! So excited. I'm always either a gunner or an engineer, never a pilot, so this is good. So we just got off of the Millennium Falcon and we are waiting to go into Oga's Cantina right now.
Careful, it's boiling hot right now.
This is our official taste test. I got the Psylocke, which has mezcal, grapefruit juice, lime juice, agave, jalapeno, and then a chili lime seasoned rim. And he got the Jasmine Gaston Fizz, and it's fizzing. It looks really cool. Cheers. In line to get some popcorn, and fun fact about this popcorn bucket, we literally bought it like 4 years ago, and we bring it with us every time, and we just pay for refills. So, life hack. So we got the notification that our room was ready, so now we are officially in our Disney resort. We're staying at Pop Century, which is like one of my favorite resorts to stay at as far as value resorts go. So let's do a quick little room tour. This is kind of like the view. I think this is an extra bed right here.
I think so as well.
Looks like a table. Anyway, so fridge, coffee nook, the TV. Our dating anniversary is in about 12 days or so. That's cute. And then our luggages. There's the bathroom. It's pretty spacious. And the shower and stuff. But yeah. We're going back to Hollywood Studios finally after a few hours of rest. I also put pants on, if you can tell, because it's getting chilly and I don't want to be freezing. So yeah, we're gonna stay, probably ride a couple more rides, and then watch Fantasmic. We're back in Hollywood Studios. Everything's all lit up now because it's dark, but there's some sort of event. I don't know what it is. I hope we don't get kicked out because I really want to watch Fantasmic. So yeah, I wonder what it is. I'm gonna have to look it up and see.